Are you looking to grow your mailing list but don't have a website? No problem. I'm Will from Waves Digital. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. So by now, you probably realize how powerful and important your mailing list is to grow your business online. Most people think that you need a website to drive traffic to build your mailing list. That's not the case. There are all kinds of online free tools to help you start building your mailing list. Step number 1, choose an email service. MailChimp is by far our favorite source to creating mailing lists. It's super easy and has tons of templates to choose from. Best of all, each new subscriber is added right to your mailing list within MailChimp. You can choose one that can be integrated within your website should you ever decide that you want to take your business to the next level. Other recommendations are MailerLite, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign. Step number 2, build yourself a landing page. A landing page is essentially an online, one-page sign-up. It looks like a website, but without all the technical aspects of it. You design it to your liking and then distribute the link as you wish. You will need to create fields for a name, an email, a call to action so your subscribers are driven to sign up. Step number 3, social media engagement. Once your landing page is created, you can turn to social media. So what you should do is create a call to action. An example is get a YouTube SEO checklist for free through the link in my bio so that you're directing followers to your landing page link. Email services also allow you to import contacts you may already have, but beware of spamming. If you don't use a merge tag, you'll likely be flagged or it'll go into their spam inbox. Merge tags in email marketing allow you to customize your email templates so when you send them out to multiple people on their list, it customizes and says to Will, or to Marie, or to Eric. Step number 4, guest posting. Posting articles on Medium or guest posting on established blogs are a great way to show a unique audience what you can bring to the table. Include a sign up within your articles and offer these new subscribers a piece of free content to make sure that they're engaging with your content. Each of these tactics allow you to grow your mailing list without a website. Let's go through them one more time. Number 1, choose a mailing service. Number 2, build your landing page. Number 3, spread your call to action across all your social media platforms. And number 4, guest blog. That's it for this week, guys. We hope the content was helpful. We'll be back next week. Be sure to like the video and subscribe.